What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back for another video with your boy Mikey, man. So for today's video, we're checking out MD, Chef, Cax, and Rare G. You feel me? Queridinho? Is that what it's called? Queridinho? I don't know how you say that, bro. You feel me? But yeah, man, we're about to check this out. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you're watching this video from Brazil, hola, tudo bem? Me nome Mikey. You feel me? And without further ado, let's check the song out, man. Let's get it.
Comprei as peças da fome pra minha novinha. Whisky de 1300 na minha cozinha. Estúdio do lado da boca, na matinha. Se vê a tropa do Off passar, não perde a linha. Quero na base piscina.
Yo, this guy is funny. I like MD Chef's flow, bro. He comes in, he said, yeah. Yo, this guy is I like his flow.
Comprei as peças da fome pra minha novinha. Whisky de 1300 na minha cozinha. Estúdio do lado da boca, na matinha. Se vê a tropa do Off passar, não perde a linha. Quero na base piscina de modelo hidro. Eu passo mel na borda do copo de vidro. Eu resolvo rápido, o resto do tempo eu invisto. Hoje nem muito falo, quem vai falar sou meu querido.
Ali, um copo de Rony. Diz que tem gosto olhando pra minha mulher, que eu sou o seu homem. Não perde tempo, ela pede tudo que ela quer. Ela me pede viagem pra fora, iPhone 12 agora. Roupa de marca, ela adora, Moncler ou Pandora. Mano, essa preta é foda, sustenta a marra que bota. Ela joga e joga o cabelo na cara e debocha. Minha bailarina branca com rosa. Mano, essa mina tá toda gostosa. Disse que quer comprar uma casa nova, cama redonda, pétalas de rosa. Garrafa de champanhe no frigobar, tem que ter muito dinheiro pra gastar.
Comprei as peças da fome pra minha novinha. Whisky de 1300 na...
Wait.
No frigobar, tem que ter muito dinheiro pra gastar.
Comprei as peças da fome pra minha novinha. Whisky de 1300 na minha cozinha. Estúdio do lado da boca, na matinha. Se vê a tropa do Off passar, não perde a linha.
Novinha, tô sabendo que tu quer os queridinhos. Ela quer quem abastece o mano que tá de radinho. Tipo de camisa lá com as maciço bem fininho. A ardedeira tá brilhando, mano, com cifrão do jean. Tenho tudo que ela gosta, joga puta de ban. Toma dinheiro e poder, toma doze da maçã. Tenho tudo
Look at the guy in the back. Look at the guy in the back.
Tenho tudo que ela gosta, joga puta de ban. Toma dinheiro e poder.
Yo, look at him in the back. Yo, he bagged the Brazilian. He bagging the Brazilian bad things. Respect to you, guy.
Toma doze da maçã. Tenho tudo que ela gosta, joga puta de ban. Toma dinheiro e poder. Toma doze da
Comprei as peças da
maçã.
fome pra minha novinha. Whisky de 1300 na minha cozinha. Estúdio do lado da boca, na latinha. Se vê a tropa do Off passar, não perde a linha.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, MD Chef, man. This guy, man. This guy is, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what to say. Speechless again, you feel me? But anyway, man, that's it for today's video, man. That's it for MD Chef. No, it's not actually. It's not MD Chef. That's it for Offlei. Right, Offlei Sounds, Queridinhos, MD Chef, Cox Camp, Rare G. To be honest, bro, the second guy, I don't know who the second guy is. I don't know if it's Rex. I don't know if it's Cox Camp or Rare G. But the second guy is fire, to be honest. The second guy is really good too. Feel me? But anyway, man, that's it, man. Let me know what you guys think, man. Make sure to drop a like if you like the video. Drop a dislike if you didn't like the video. And let me know what you didn't like about the video, you feel me? And yeah, man, without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy, Mikey.
One thing you change about the world.
What would I change? I'd make people not hate each other because of their religion, because of their nationality, because of any stupid reason. If we could abolish hatred, we live on this gorgeous planet. There's a character I wrote called the Silver Surfer, and I always had him making those kind of remarks, philosophical things about, he was from another world, and he said, why don't we realize we're on a planet that gives us everything, food, beautiful weather, sun, everything. Why don't we enjoy it? Why do we spend time fighting and hating each other?
Oh yeah, Maj. It's the one right here.
What it do? Sauce up on YouTube. You know I'm dripping, baby, and you dripping too. I know you love me, baby, and I love you too. I know you love me, baby, and I love you.